got a tractor tire here that somehow got a leak in it, so we'll have a little bottle of water with some dish detergent. That's a good way to check for leaks if you don't know where one is, but this one, like I said, is pretty apparent. You can hear it. So what I'm going to do is try and plug it. So I'm going to be using this product here, this slime kind of tire plug kit, and so I'll kind of walk through the process for that, and hopefully this will do the trick. So the first thing you do is you get your thing all ready to go here. So this is the slime, kind of goes through like a needle almost, and this is what's going to ultimately plug the hole up. So we got that all set up and ready to go, so I'm going to set that down. And this tool here is kind of going to clean out the hole. So you stick this in first and kind of go back and forth to try and make sure and get that hole nice and cleaned out, and then right away you stick the slime in and go from there. So the hole is right here, so I'm going to take this tool here first and basically clean it out. Take the slime, get it in there. In there, pull it out, and we got it about halfway. Okay, and then what you do here is you actually just take and kind of clip the slime off or whatever, and so it's not hanging out. It's tough stuff. Okay. Soap again here, and I'm going to plan to get a kit for this, like on Amazon. I'll post a link in there. I am an Amazon associate, so feel free to click on my link and help me out to support what I'm doing here. So with that, if you found this useful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, GreenAkers, share it with anyone that you think it might be helpful, and if you have any comments, questions, give me a shout out.